Hi, all. In today's session, we will see how to download MySQL Community Server. So, for that, go to Google and type download MySQL Community Server. Now, so click on the first hyperlink, and here you can see the operating systems. So, what are the operating system you are using? Please select that operating system. So, for me, I am using Windows. So, if you are using Mac or Linux, so please select that one. And here you will have a go to download page. Click on that, and here you will have two options. So I'm going for the first one. Let me click download. So here it will ask you to log in. So if you're interested, you can log into that one, or else you can click no thanks. Now it will download the installer. So let me go to my computer and downloads. So it's downloaded MySQL installer. So the version is 8.0. Run. So yes. So click on yes. Now click on yes. Now here choose your setup type. So I'm going to select custom type. So select this one and click next. And here, so you need to select these two options. So your MySQL server and applications. So these are two options you need to select. So go to here. So here I'm selecting MySQL Server 8 and add. So, and next I'm going to select applications. So workbench. So that is a server, MySQL server, and this is a workbench. So I'm going to select. So this workbench I'm selecting. So let me add. So if you look into the here, I have selected the server as well as a workbench. Now select next. Now it's downloading. So here also we are at download option. So your MySQL workbench is downloaded, and now it's downloading MySQL Server. So it's in progress. So it will take few more seconds. So let's wait for that. So now downloading is completed. Now click next. So now they are ready to install. Execute. So now first it's installing MySQL Server 8.0.22. Now it's installing MySQL workbench. So now both are installed. So installation is completed. Next. So finish. So the installation is completed now. Okay. Now let's try to connect. So test. So my connection name is test, and connection method is TCP IP. And let me. So username is root. Let me connect. So we are getting this error. So if you are getting this error, so what you need to do is, let's go to your installer. So where you have downloaded your installer. So here I have installed. So click it again and again run it. So yes. So it's taking some time. Let's wait for it to complete. Oh, sorry. Here I need to press yes. So now. So if you look into this, so reconfigure. Reconfigure. No. So the port number is 3306. If you want to change the port number, yes, we can change it. And after that, here the pipe name and memory name. So these are things, and next. So here if you want to update anything, no. So here it is asking you username and password. So password is root. 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 Do you want to add any user? No. No. Next. Execute. So it will take some time. So let's wait till it completes. Initializing the database may take a long time. So it's completed. Your database is ready. And now it's starting the server. So now everything is finished. So if you look into this, so now finish. Now close. So now let's close this one and again open my SQL workbench. Okay. Now, so test one. So now connect. See, it is asking the password now. So now here it's asking the password. So let me enter. So I have entered root password. No. Okay. Okay. See, it's connected. Test one. So we are into MySQL workbench. So now show data bases. So what are the, so how to execute? See, these are the existing databases. Default provided by MySQL. So this is a way you need to connect to MySQL database from your MySQL workbench. So here, so we have downloaded MySQL Server. So MySQL Server version is 8.x and MySQL Workbench. Bench also 8.x version only. So hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.